When AirPlay sends video to the TV but the sound disappears, do not jump straight to a factory reset. The article narrows the problem to output routing, muted devices, Samsung sound settings, Wi-Fi, Apple TV audio formats, and Mac security settings. Start with the easy mismatches. Turn off silent mode on iPhone or iPad. Raise volume on both devices and open the AirPlay output picker. The TV or Apple TV needs to be selected as the audio destination, not the phone or Mac speakers. On Samsung TVs, send audio back to the built-in TV speaker first. If a soundbar is involved, reseat the ERC cable and restart the handshake. Then switch digital output audio format to PCM when auto or pass-through stays silent. If one streaming app fails, update that app before blaming the TV. Then update iOS, iPadOS, macOS or tvOS. Outdated software can leave AirPlay video working while the audio codec or routing path fails. Next, rebuild the network path. Restart the sender, receiver and router. Put both AirPlay devices on the same Wi-Fi band, then test again. If the failure survives, reset iPhone network settings and rejoin Wi-Fi from scratch. For Apple TV, toggle the audio format. Switching between stereo and Dolby Digital 5.1 reinitializes the audio route. Also, make sure Apple TV is the selected sound output and that the HDMI path is still active. Mac AirPlay failures can be blocked by the firewall or a stuck sound output. Check system settings, sound, output, then allow AirPlay traffic through the firewall. If routing is still frozen, shut the Mac down fully or use the reset path in the guide. Save resets for the end. Once mute, output, TV audio, Wi-Fi, software, Apple TV format and Mac firewall checks are done, then reset Apple TV or the Smart TV. If silence remains after that, it is time for support. The full Smart TVs guide has the AirPlay No Sound checklist for iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple TV, Samsung, LG and other Smart TVs.